I'm Chris Creed from ADAS.
And I'm Janet Allen from ADAS.
We just cut this strawberry in half to demonstrate what you should be looking for on the internal crown.
Right, so when you look around your plant to start with, look at the root system, and you're looking for lots of nice white and creamy looking root system, no dead dark bits of area on them which might denote the plants have been standing in water where they were during propagation, or have a disease like red core. And then we cut them through the centre, and what we're looking for, as we can see here, a lovely creamy white crown, particularly in the centre and around the edges, which shows that there is no crown rot infection in there. If there was, that little central area there down to the base of the crown would be a foxy brown or a dark brown colour, and there's no cold injury which it might have sustained before it went into cold store when it was last late autumn, early winter out in the field. If there was, there would be staining a bit higher up in the crown.
Yeah, that's called arching.
Arching,
it follows the shape of the vascular tissue in the top.
Yes, yes.
So it'll be like little brown arches in there.
Now, if you find any of that damage, it's very important to not go ahead and put the plants in the compost. Put them back into cold store or somewhere where they're going to be kept cool, and phone up the supplier and explain to him what you're seeing. Perhaps send him some photographs. And if you have the time to do so, send some plants off to a laboratory to get them checked for, particularly for disease, for crown rot and red core. At the same time, you want to have a look at the outside of the plant and check the foliage to see if there's any symptoms of powdery mildew there that's carried through from the autumn and summer. Whether there's any sign of any aphids on the undersides of the expanded leaves, or actually down inside the young leaves, young expanding leaves, and they will be down between the little unfurling leaflets. Yeah. And if you find those in there, then you know that you have got to spray the strawberries fairly soon after planting, otherwise there'll be damage. Also look for two-spotted spider mite eggs, and they will be down under the underside of the leaves.
Okay.